you start off slow. Any of you guys watch the survival show? You guys watch that? They did the same thing. They jumped on a stick, they went fast. They saw the smoke, they stopped, their arms are tired. I try to yell on the TV, trying to tell them what to do, but nobody listened. So I bought me a new TV. Start off slow. You want to make sure you got that momentum going, that friction. Yeah. Where the beach area is, it's good. If you use any wood, you want to make sure it's dry. Even though the outside is dry, you got to cut the wood in half to make sure the middle is dry. As you see, when you're rubbing, start off at the top, it makes a little hole. Goes down. If the top is dry, the bottom is wet, you're just going to make a big hole and you're just going to be wasting your time. Like what I said, it takes 4 hours, so if you guys want to go on your phones or iPad and watch Netflix, feel free to. And I'm tired. When you're making fire, when you're rubbing sticks, you're collecting these little particles at the end. Just like this.
Oh, God.
Anybody have a lighter to make my job easier? Just like that.